We are going faster than a train. We are going faster than a train. The car almost toppled over. It's not safe for the occupants of that car, and I noticed that there's a lady in that car as well. We did it again. He's the crazy driver of Skoda Rapid. He's with him over there. So like I told you guys, drive safe. That is his car. This is my car. And these are two crazy drivers. But be careful, okay? Do not try this at home. Another day, another race. Now we are heading towards Visakhapatnam. We have another 577 kilometers to go. My current speed is 150, and see who is ahead of me. It's a Skoda Rapid. It's a Skoda Rapid. Not bad actually, for 140 he's doing pretty well, seems to be a good car. It comes down to American muscle versus German engineering. And the icing on the cake is it's a KA vehicle. It's from my hometown. Let's wait for him. If he comes all the way till Visakhapatnam, it's going to be one hell of a drive. So like I had told you guys last time also, what happened was when we were on this road and when Shagufta was with me, so that is when we had raced with the Audi. If you remember the mad race between Audi and Jeep. But now, as you can see, he's done really well. So it was a good drive. See, right now he's also there. We're only at 130, 140. We're not even racing anymore. I can just keep trailing him. It's not even a big deal. Always it's German engineering versus American muscle. Let's see how long it keeps going. I don't know if you guys can see or not, but you know, he's a speck in my rear view mirror. So he's not visible anymore. Okay, he's not visible anymore. So that was one hell of a drive. Honestly, I'm telling you guys, it was a really good drive. Because last time with the Audi, I had expected it. You know, I had expected him to give me some competition. But this time, I did not think that, you know, the Skoda Rapid would be this quick. And kudos to the driver as well. You know, even he's a really good driver, because though it is, I think, just a 1 liter engine, though it is 1 liter TSI engine or TDI engine or whatever it is, he is pushing it to the limit. I had to go at 182. Yeah, so you know, I had to go at 182, and for that matter, he's still keeping up with me. But one thing I have noticed is that, you know, even in turns and all, he's pushing it really hard. So I am getting scared, because I have a feeling the car will either topple over or the car will skid. So let's keep seeing it. But anyway, like you can see, he's nowhere to be found behind. He's nowhere to be found. So that concludes the race. So yeah, that was another race. On the way, let's say when we were going to Leh on the Agra Expressway, I found those BMWs, and then last time when we were heading to Visakhapatnam, I found that Audi. So this time we found that Skoda Rapid. So it was a good race. He did well. But that is it. If you did like the video, please do hit that thumbs up button. If you have not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel, because we keep doing this every now and then. Wishing them a very safe drive ahead. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.